Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Today I've got a compact powerhouse for you, the Edifier MR3 bookshelf studio monitor speakers, as you can see just here. Guys, if you've been following the channel, you know we recently reviewed the Edifier M60 speakers, which completely blew us away with their performance. But now the MR3 has arrived, and this set promises high-res audio, Bluetooth 5.4, and some impressive versatility for studio, work, music listening, and even some gaming. Today we'll take a deep dive into the unboxing, setup, and features. I'll also run you through the real-world setup and tests across different genres, showing how these compare to the MR4, and explain why the MR3 might just be the perfect desktop or bookshelf speaker for you. And guys, stick around because I've been reminding you of our ongoing giveaways, where we're giving away some Edifier products, and also $4,000 other ones which you can win. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button so we can get you updated with more new videos. So as always, Edifier knows how to make a solid first impression. The MR3 comes with neatly boxed for extra protection, which is always great to see. So guys, inside you'll find the active speaker, the one with all the controls, which is this one, a power cable to keep things running, a 3.5mm to RCA cable, and a 3.5mm AUX cable, handy for wired connections. A speaker wire to link the two units, and of course, a quick start guide to get you up and running quickly. What stands out is really the design. I love the copper accents on the drivers and the volume knobs, as you can see just there. Doesn't that look really, really nice? And doesn't it look like such a stylish speaker? And there's also the controls on the back. The MR3 comes in both white and black, and honestly, both versions look fantastic to me. The MDF cabinets are sturdy, cutting down on vibrations, while the large foam feet ensure they sit securely in place. And there's the feet there on the back, as you can see. If you're into aesthetics, the MR3 is a winner. It's compact, stylish, and very modern without looking over the top. And also guys, there's a bit of weight to these speakers as well, so not too hard to carry, but it just shows the quality build in them as well. Setting up the MR3 is a breeze. Just plug in the power cable into the active speaker, use a speaker wire to connect the passive speaker, and you're ready to go. You can connect these speakers in multiple ways as well. So the first way is using RCA inputs, which is at the back there, for wired devices. You can use TRS for balanced inputs for professional audio setups, or if you like mixing consoles as well. And my favorite, of course, Bluetooth 5.4 with multi-point connectivity, and that's very, very important. Bluetooth allows you to connect two devices at once, so I've got my phone and laptop hooked up. Switching between them is seamless, making these perfect for work and play. Now guys, on the point of the active speaker, there's a multifunction knob at the front. So as you can see just there, so you can use that to turn it on, turn it off. You can turn it to turn it up as well, which is really good. A lot of speakers don't have kind of the knobs at the front there. You've also got the AUX cable there, the headphone cable there, and on the back you've got some different ones. So you've got the monitoring mods. You can tailor the acoustic tuning or the TRS balancing as well. So it works very, very well, and it gives you a lot more flexibility to be able to use with the speakers. You can also customize it through the EQ settings through Edifier ConneX app. So speaking of the app, it's easy to use and gives you additional controls over EQ setting, acoustic tuning, and even low cut filter to reduce rumbling bass. I'm actually going to go and show you guys just now how to use the app. So we're turning the Edifier speaker, so you literally just press a button there and it turns on. Now these different colors change depending on the sound mode you want. So for white is the customized sound effect, red is the monitor sound effect, you can see, and also you press it again, you go to solid green, which is the music sound effect. So these have different preset settings into them. And now to connect Bluetooth on the back, you hold down the Bluetooth button and that then connects it, and then it connects across to your Bluetooth device. And as you can see, that's where the inputs you put in to connect the two speakers together through those wires. Now let's go and check out the actual app. And as you can see, here's the app just here. So there's the high-res audio symbol on there as well. Now you can see you get customized sound effects. So we click on that, and this enables you to customize sound effects depending on what you want. So you've got the music settings, as we spoke about earlier, and you've also got the monitor preset settings as well. If we go to customize, here you can change all the different settings on there. As you can see, it gives you the ability to go up and down depending on what you want. So you can change it depending on, we've all got different sound styles, so it gives you the ability to be able to change it, which is great. So fully customizable, which is one of the great things about these pair of speakers. And you can see you can go rename the different settings as well, so you can save your own. And then we go and have a look. You can also change the volume control on there course, I use a knob on the speakers too to change it, or also on your phone. And there's the acoustic tuning as well, which you can do. So you can see the acoustic space on there, as well as the frequencies. You can control those too, which is great. So fully customizable speakers, allowing you to create the customer experience. And there's a user manual too, so very nice app for customization. And remember, you can also do on the back of the speakers as well, where the knobs are too. All right, let's talk about what really matters, the sound quality. The MR3 packs 18 watts per channel with a 3.5-inch driver for mids and lows and a 1-inch silk dome tweeter for the highs, as you can see, they're just here. And here's a kicker. It's high-res audio, certified, meaning it delivers clean, detailed sound. Now, in monitor mode, the MR3 gives you an accurate neutral sound profile. If you're mixing audio, editing videos, or just want to hear music exactly as it was recorded, this mode's for you. And for me, guys, I do a lot of, as you know, editing for my YouTube videos. It's very good to have monitoring mode there. Switching to music mode, the bass and treble get a nice little boost. So I tested this with a range of genres. So as you guys know, I love testing out my speakers and testing out music. So for acoustic tracks, I tested out May It Be by Enya. The clarity is stunning. Every note of the vocals and instruments came through clean and natural. I also tried bass heavy tracks like Time by Pink Floyd. The bass is tight and punchy, even at higher volumes. It doesn't distort or overpower the mids. For gaming, you can hear every little detail. Footsteps, explosions, and ambient sounds are all crystal clear. It's a huge upgrade over standard desktop speakers. So guys, let's go and do a quick sound test now so you can actually experience the sound as well.
Stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
And as always, if you've gotten this far, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, all your support really helps us grow. So guys, what do we think? Well, the MR3 can get loud without losing clarity or balance. I didn't even need to push them past 70%, and they easily filled my office with rich, immersive sound. Now guys, how does the MR3 compare to its simply the Edifier MR4? Well, it's a very, very good question. They are different speakers, but they have completely different functions. So the MR4 has a slightly larger 4-inch driver, giving it a bit low-end punch. However, the MR3 adds Bluetooth 5.4 and app control, which the MR4 does lack. If you're a studio purist and with that extra bass extension, the MR4 is quite good, but if you like versatility and a compact design, the MR3 bookshelf speakers are the way to go. To be honest, they're both perfect. And really, you can't beat this design, can you? I mean, look at it. It really is stunning. And guys, once again, a few people reached out to me in regards to high-res audio. High-res audio is if you're device specific. So I've got my iPhone Pro 15 Max, and it does work very well. So it's excellent. So on the point of connectivity, we're going to be doing a multi-room video as well to show how you can set up through Wi-Fi for our speakers. So look out for that video as well. This one doesn't actually have Wi-Fi set up, but you'll see on the other ones that you can do it. So all in all, this is a great pair of speakers. I mean, it checks all the boxes, doesn't it? Firstly, it's got the high-res audio for pristine sound. It's got the multiple inputs. Now, multiple inputs is very, very important, including RCA, TRS, and the Bluetooth 5.4. Not all speakers have this, so it's a great thing to have. It's got a compact, stylish design. It's perfect for desks, bookshelves, or using at home. I even connected my TV up to this. And the customization through the Edifier ConneX app is great as well. It allows you to customize all the different features, EQ settings, etc. And for anyone upgrading their workstation, gaming setup, or enjoying music without breaking the bank, the MR3 delivers. So guys, what do you think? Have you used the MR3? Have you seen my M60 reviews? Let me know. And also guys, we have the giveaways happening at the moment. So we're giving away some fantastic Edifier gear. So click links below to enter. We're giving away thousands of dollars worth of prizes. So guys, let me know what your favorite speaker is. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you click the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to update for more speakers. Thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.